How millions of Cadbury dairy milk bars are made in a factory. Welcome to a world where chocolate is not just a treat, but a carefully engineered product made with precision, science, and passion. Inside this modern chocolate factory, millions of Cadbury dairy milk bars are produced every day, following a process that combines advanced technology with decades of chocolate-making expertise. From the moment raw ingredients arrive at the factory to the instant a finished bar is wrapped and shipped, every step is designed to ensure the same smooth texture, rich taste, and consistent quality that people around the world expect from Cadbury dairy milk. The journey of a dairy milk bar begins long before it reaches the production line. It starts with sourcing high-quality raw materials from trusted suppliers across different regions of the world. Cocoa beans, the foundation of chocolate, are carefully selected based on flavor profile, aroma, and consistency. These beans arrive at the factory in sealed shipments and are immediately taken to inspection areas, where quality teams examine them for size, moisture level, and overall condition. Only cocoa beans that meet strict standards are approved for use, ensuring that every batch of chocolate begins with the best possible ingredients. Alongside cocoa, milk powder plays a critical role in defining the identity of dairy milk chocolate. Unlike dark chocolate, which relies heavily on cocoa solids, dairy milk is known for its creamy, milk-rich taste. The milk powder used in production is stored in temperature-controlled silos to maintain freshness and prevent contamination. Advanced monitoring systems constantly track humidity and temperature, making sure the milk powder remains stable and ready for use. Sugar, another essential ingredient, is refined to a precise level to provide sweetness without overpowering the natural cocoa flavor. Once all ingredients are approved, the preparation stage begins. Each ingredient is measured with extreme accuracy using digital weighing systems. These systems are calibrated regularly to avoid even the smallest deviation. In chocolate production, consistency is everything. A slight imbalance in the ratio of cocoa, milk, or sugar can change the texture or flavor of the final product. That is why every measurement is recorded and monitored by computerized control systems before the ingredients are released into the mixing stage. The measured ingredients are transferred into large industrial mixers, some of which can handle thousands of kilograms of chocolate mixture at a time. As the mixers begin to rotate, cocoa, milk powder, sugar, and other components slowly blend together. At this stage, the mixture looks rough and grainy, far from the smooth chocolate bar consumers recognize. However, this initial mixing is essential for distributing ingredients evenly and preparing the mixture for further processing. Temperature sensors inside the mixers ensure that heat levels remain within a specific range to prevent burning or separation. As the mixture continues to blend, it becomes thicker and more uniform. Automated systems adjust mixing speed and duration based on real-time data. Engineers and technicians monitor this process from control rooms filled with digital displays, graphs, and alarms. Their role is to make sure that each batch follows the same precise conditions as the previous one. This combination of automation and human oversight helps maintain consistency across millions of bars produced every day. Once mixing is complete, the chocolate mixture is pumped through heated stainless steel pipelines. These pipelines keep the chocolate in a liquid state as it moves to the next stage of production. Heating elements and The next critical stage is refining. During refining, the chocolate mixture passes through a series of heavy rollers that gradually reduce the size of solid particles. This process transforms the mixture from a gritty texture into something much smoother. Particle size plays a major role in how chocolate feels in the mouth. If particles are too large, the chocolate will feel rough or sandy. Refining reduces particle size to microscopic levels, creating the smooth mouthfeel that dairy milk is famous for. After refining, the chocolate enters the conching stage, one of the most important steps in chocolate production. Conching involves continuous mixing and aeration of the chocolate over an extended period, sometimes lasting several hours. During this process, unwanted acidic flavors evaporate, and the chocolate develops a richer, more balanced taste. The friction and movement inside conching machines also help coat cocoa particles evenly with cocoa butter, further enhancing smoothness. Conching is where much of the chocolate's final flavor is shaped. Subtle changes in temperature, mixing speed, or duration can influence aroma and taste. For this reason, conching parameters are carefully controlled and adjusted based on experience and data. From the warehouse, Cadbury Dairy milk bars are loaded onto trucks and shipped to distribution centers and retailers around the world. The factory operates continuously to meet global demand, with production lines running day and night. Despite the scale of operations, strict standards ensure that every bar tastes the same, no matter where it is produced or consumed. Behind all this technology are skilled workers, engineers, and quality specialists. Their expertise ensures that machines operate correctly and standards are maintained. While automation handles speed and precision, human knowledge plays a vital role in decision-making, problem-solving, and quality assurance. The final result of this complex process